some treats today. So before we get started, all you need is some chocolate that you're gonna melt in the microwave. You need graham cracker crumbs. If you have whole ones, you can just break them up and then put them in a tray. You need marshmallows, and then you need sticks of any sort that you're gonna put in the marshmallows. So we're gonna make s'more pops today. So your first step is to grab your stick, grab your marshmallow, put it in. And all you're going to do is dip it about halfway into the chocolate, like so. Okay, and then you're going to roll it in the graham crackers. So it should look like this when you're done. And then you'll just let it dry. So again, you're gonna grab marshmallow, put in the stick, dip into chocolate. If you wanna go the full way, you can. If you wanna go just halfway, that's up to you. Roll it in the graham crackers. Get the sides. Let it dry. So after you're done rolling everything in the graham crackers, just set it on a tray. You have to sit for about 10 minutes just to let the chocolate harden, and then dig in and enjoy.